Hello everyone. Today, I want to bring your attention to a bug that I discovered in 2018 that I think is quite serious and Apple still hasn't fixed, even after I've reported it several times. This bug allows any app to hide its cellular data usage behind that of another one in the Settings app. So the way this was discovered was in 2018. I was working for a company who did white label apps for a bunch of hospitality businesses. The thing that tipped us off was that users were reporting an issue where they'd be out trying to pay for a meal, and that's what you could do in this app. You could buy your meals, and the internet wasn't working. So what we found out was that if a user had multiple apps from different clients installed on their device and they turned off cell data for one of them, it would stop working across all of them. Now this bug has changed a little bit over the years. It no longer disables internet if you turn it off for one app across all the others. What happens now instead is that the app doesn't even show up in the settings. Now the trick is really simple. All you have to do is just make sure that the product name of your app is exactly the same as the one you're trying to hide behind. And it's super easy to get the product name. All you have to do is just open up the bundle. Alright, so I've got a quick demo here to show you how this works. This app, I've named it Target, and that's because that's the app I'm going to try and hide behind. You can call it anything you like as long as the product name is the same. This demo app just loads a web page inside a web view, and every time you hit the reload button, it loads a different one. Also notice that I have Wi-Fi turned off and just using the mobile data at the moment. And if I go into my settings app, you can see that that Target app does not exist, but the original one does. Now I'll switch over to the mobile data section of the settings app and reset the stats. I'll reload a few more web pages, and it looks like that data is getting tracked underneath uninstalled apps. Let's do that again just to make sure. Well, there you have it. If you don't want users being able to turn off mobile data on your app, there's your solution. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope Apple fixes this very soon. Until the next video. See ya.